macOS doesn't let you use your own videos as wallpapers, or does it? Anyway, here is how to do it without installing any app. This is precisely what we are trying to achieve here, and this is the final result. I know, right? It looks awesome. Let's get to work. Alright, first thing you want to do is go into settings and screensaver, and then begin to download one of these landscape ones. I chose Sonoma Clouds for the sake of this test. Alright, that's downloading currently. Give it a moment depending on how fast your internet is. Currently, I have a standard macOS Sequoia wallpaper set. You can see the screensaver go. Do not ask me why I downgraded from Tahoe to this. That's a video for another day. Alright, right about now, it's about to be done, and it's done. Yeah. You know, just making sure everything is up to speed. Okay, Sonoma Clouds work perfectly fine. Now let's take a look at the wallpaper or video wallpaper we are trying to set as our screensaver. Yeah, I think this should work quite fine. Yeah, this is going to make an awesome wallpaper. Anyway, let's get to work. So we need to crop the video and make sure there are no black bars. I know it's going to fail, but I just can't trust it. Yeah, and we also need to make sure it ends up in MOV format, just like it started. Yeah, so I'm starting a project in Final Cut to just make the necessary changes. And that is done. Yeah, this is the result. Perfectly cropped in 16:9 aspect ratio, and it's .mp4. It might work, but I'd rather have a .mov, so I'm using this tool. Yeah, you can check the video description for more about it, but it's quite efficient. MP4 converting offline to MOV. It's not free, by the way, yeah, but it's awesome. And that's that. We are saving our converted MOV to a designated folder in Documents. The next part is quite simple. After saving it, we need to locate a certain directory in our Finder where Apple stores screensavers in video formats. That directory right there in the video's description, of course. So copy it and enter Finder and hit Command-Shift-G to bring up this. Then paste it, and as soon as you paste it, you can go to a directory. In here we have our previous screen video I made, and this is the one we just downloaded from settings. So rename it and copy that name. Yeah, copy it, don't change it. Then go back to where we saved our converted MOV, and then also rename, then paste the name we copied from the other one. Yeah, so now let's kick this one out. Delete it to trash, keep it in trash, put in your password, and then let's copy this one and paste it in that directory. Of course, it has the same name, so now macOS is going to think that's what it's downloaded, not knowing we have already done some back-end FBI stuff. But then notice that since we're already on Sonoma Clouds, it was supposed to have changed. It didn't change, so let's fix that. Going into Activity Monitor, we are going to reboot the wallpaper process. Yeah, you can hit memory to see what's open, then search for wallpaper, and as soon as you find this, click on wallpaper itself, then quit it. That's going to respring the entire operation. Yeah, and now you can see it has refreshed and reloaded Sonoma Clouds, which is now Odin versus Hela. Yeah, so once we try to preview the wallpaper, you'll see what happens. Oh, we still have the other one right here. Yeah. Preview. Awesome, right? That's not all though. Yeah, we can choose to set it as just the screensaver, not wallpaper. Yeah, because a freeze frame of this is not that nice as a wallpaper. Yeah, I'd rather have the video screensaver and have my own custom high-res wallpaper. Yeah, so let's do that. Anyways, that's it. We have seen it's awesome and it shows nice with the dynamic island and my lock screen player. Also check the video up here for the video relating to that if you want to learn about that. Yeah, but we are here to talk about wallpapers and screensavers.